Okay guys, let's go testing the new camera POV as I'm going to start a new YouTube channel. We are heading now to Wangal area. So if you're driving, you must be very confident and very alert, like that. You have a lot of cars to meet. Okay, so we're going here. This is the local cemetery in our place. So I'm lucky still open. So I'm going to testing only my new POV camera mount. Welcome to Pyramid. So I hope we can. See the cemetery. This is our local cemetery. Alright. Some of the pavements are slippery. Cars. Always look right and left or right. Then blind curve, you must slow down. Guys, I don't have a gas, so later maybe we can top up some gas. I hope my video footage is okay. Now it's raining. back to my channel. Wow, so cold. Alright. Stop recording.